Hey everyone, my name is Amy Rose, and in today's look I wanted to create a really fun, colourful New Year's and Christmas makeup look. So if you want to know how to create this look, then please keep watching. I am going to use the Soph palette in collaboration with Revolution, which looks like this. So first of all, I'm going to go in with a transition colour, and the colour is called Running Late. So I'm just going to get a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to go in with my transition. You want to focus it on your crease and then blend upwards and then downwards. These colours are really buildable, so just take your time and really work with the blending. So the next shade I am going to use is Sweet and Sour, which is this one here. I'm going to sort of deepen my crease up with it and blend it out again. So just to make this eyeshadow pop a little bit more, I'm going to use a bright pink, which is this shade called 21. So I'm now going to go in with the shade Vitamin C, which is this colour here. But to make it a bit more pigmented, I'm going to wet the brush beforehand, just a little bit, and then go in with the shadow after. So for liner, I'm just going to use this liner from MUA, and it is called I Define. It's a pen, so it's really easy to apply onto your lash line. I'm going to do a thin layer of mascara, and this is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I am going to use a dark nude lip liner just to line my lips. Then moving on to liquid lipstick, I am going to use the Maybelline Superstay liquid lipstick in the shade Loyalist. This is the final result. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, then write in the comments down below your thoughts on this look. I will definitely be wearing this for New Year's, so I will see you guys soon. Bye!